Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. In this video we are going to talk about synonyms part 2. Words which have similar meaning, they are called synonyms. However, they have different connotation. Let us learn with the help of some examples. Here we have, she is skinny just like a bunch of bones. She is skinny just like a bunch of bones. Second example, she has got a lovely slim figure. So here you can notice that I have underlined slim and skinny. Both words, they have similar meaning but they have different connotation. Let us take this example. She is skinny just like a bunch of bones. What is the meaning of skinny? Very thin, not attractive. What is the meaning of skinny? Skinny means very thin, not attractive. And if you check this one, slim, what is the meaning of slim? Thin but very attractive. So one is skinny is negative attribute, whereas slim is a positive attribute. This is the difference between skinny and slim. Let us learn some more examples here. Haste or hurry. What is the meaning of haste and hurry? Haste, hurry. So you might have noticed many times that hurry up, we have offer is going on, hurry up. Okay, so go fast, hurry up. So this is haste and hurry. Jaldi ya jaldi karna. Haste, hurry, jaldi ya jaldi karna. Next one, honor, respect. Honor, respect. Okay, we respect our elders. We respect our elders. Okay, we respect our parents. We respect our elders, right? So respect, honor or respect. So what is the meaning? Izzat dena ya izzat karna. They have the similar, what I can say, meaning. Honor or respect. Izzat dena ya izzat karna. Next one, idle or lazy. Next one is idle or lazy. Both have the similar meaning. Sust. What is the meaning? Sust. Aram pasand. Sust or aram pasand. Idle or lazy. Sust or aram pasand. Next one, illness, disease. Illness, disease. Meaning of that one? Bimari. Bimari. Illness, disease. Meaning bimari. Next one, joy, pleasure. Joy, pleasure. Meaning khushi. Joy or pleasure. We have, what is the meaning? Khushi. Next one, liberty or freedom. Liberty or freedom. What is the meaning? Azadi. Liberty or freedom. Okay. So here one more, marriage and wedding. Marriage, wedding. What is the meaning? Shadi, biha. In our national language, shadi, biha. Marriage, wedding. Next one, miraculous, wonderful. Miraculous, wonderful. Similar meaning. Both the words, they have similar meaning. Miraculous and wonderful. What is the meaning? Hayrat angez, hayrat zada, hayrat angez. Peculiar and strange. Both have similar meaning. Strange or peculiar. Anokha, nirala. The meaning of this one, strange or peculiar. Both have similar meaning. What is the meaning? Anokha, nirala. Next one, perfect, complete. Perfect, complete. Meaning of that one? What is the meaning of perfect and complete? Similar meaning, they have the similar meaning. Bilkul sahi. Mukammal. Bilkul sahi. Perfect. Bilkul sahi. Or mukammal. I need perfect work. I need perfect project. Bilkul sahi. Complete. I need perfect and complete projects. So you can use perfect and complete. Bilkul sahi or mukammal. Next one, profit, gain. Profit, gain. Both have similar meaning. Munafa, fayda. Munafa, fayda. Profit or gain. Munafa, fayda. Prompt, quick. Prompt, quick. So what is the meaning? Fawri, jab ka jab, fawri, prompt or quick, fawri, jab ka jab. Protect, guard, protect, guard, हिफाजत करना, हिफाजत करना. Proud, arrogant, proud, arrogant, घमंडी, मगरूर. ऐसा इंसान जो घमंड करता हो उसको बोलेंगे प्राउड और एरोगेंट, घमंडी. नेक्स्ट वन, परचेज और बाय, परचेज और बाय, खरीदना. सो मेनी थिंग्स वी परचेज फॉर अवर डे टू डे लाइफ. परचेज, ओके, परचेज और बाय. नेक्स्ट वन, regret, repent, regret or repent. What is the meaning of regret and repent? पछताना. Regret or repent, पछताना. So example, what is the example? I should not have done that one. That was my mistake. I should not have done that one. Okay, I should have done something else. I should not have done this one. So this is called repent or regret, पछताना. Stern or strict, stern or strict, सख्त तबीयत वाला, सख्त तबीयत वाला. My dad is not, what I can say, my dad is not a strict person. He is very kind and he is very sensible. He is not strict person. So strict or stern, सख्त मिजाज वाला, सख्त तबीयत वाला. Next one, usual, normal, usual, normal. So what is the meaning? हमेशा की तरह. Okay, as usual, we went for walk yesterday. As usual, I did this one. So usual or normal, हमेशा की तरह. Next one, vacant, empty, vacant, empty, खाली. The meaning of this one, खाली, vacant, empty. Okay, empty or vacant. So a simple example, I have a glass which is empty, which is not full of water. Empty glass, empty cup. Okay, empty vessel. So empty or vacant, khali. Next one, last one, victory or success. Victory or success. What is the meaning of victory or success? Victory means jeet, fateh, vijay. Vijay, jeet or fateh. So these are all, in our national language we say victory means vijay. Victory means vijay. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you and have a wonderful day.